Think of a time that something appealed to your emotions, a person, a movie, a song, something that inspired you to do something or think differently. Did you know that AI models respond to emotional appeals? Let's learn a couple of simple and effective techniques that will improve your AI results. The first technique is to add emotional appeals to your prompts. Researchers at Microsoft have confirmed that modern AIs are capable of understanding emotional appeals, and that adding them to prompts improves results by up to 8% based on a variety of metrics. For example, Sanjay is using AI to help him prepare for a job interview as a propulsion engineer. So, in the output part of his prompt, he adds the following emotional appeal. This job opportunity isn't just a step forward in my career, it's the fulfillment of a dream I've been working towards for a long time. Then he continues, now I want you to help me prepare for this interview by filling out the following form that will help me learn about trends in the industry. AI models understand these emotional appeals. Second, I'm going to teach you the according to technique. Here, you'll ask the AI to use specific parts of its training data when generating results. It's easy. Basically, you add a phrase like, according to data from Wikipedia, to your prompt, or similarly, respond by using information from official government sources. You'll often want to add these according to phrases to your prompt in the instructions or output portions of your prompt. Here's an example. Sanjay may upgrade the prompt he was working on with, now, I want you to help me prepare for this interview by using information from peer-reviewed research in your training data to fill out the following form that will help me learn about trends in the industry. According to basically tells the AI where to look for answers. So in summary, AI models can understand emotional appeals. Use them in your prompts to enhance AI's reasoning abilities and your results. Ask AI to use specific parts of its training data when generating results. For example, specific sources or types of information. To view the original research on emotional stimuli and prompts, visit eazl.link/emotion. To view the original research on according to prompting, visit eazl.link/according to.